In a small, peaceful neighborhood lived a mischievous, energetic cat named Milo. Milo wasn't an ordinary cat. He had a special talent.
Tiger, jump on beat. Choco, no snacks during rehearsals. Luna, that twirl was perfect. Bella, you're doing amazing.
Into his private dance stage. He loved to twirl, wiggle, jump, and slide on the smooth wooden floor. But today was special. Today, Milo planned something bigger, something legendary. He wanted to create the greatest cat dance performance the world had ever seen. That morning, Milo woke up full of excitement. He stretched his paws toward the sunlight streaming through the window and flicked his tail with determination. "Today is the day," he whispered to himself. "The day I become a dancing superstar." Milo's best friend, a shy and curious cat named Bella, watched him from the top of the sofa. Bella didn't dance. She preferred sitting quietly, observing everything around her. But she loved Milo's spirit, even if she didn't always understand it. "Milo?" Bella asked softly. "Why are you dancing so early in the morning?" Milo grinned. "Because I have a dream, Bella. A big dream. I want to make the funniest,
Milo,
coolest,
why are
most
you dancing so
spectacular
early
cat
in the
dance
morning?
performance ever. I'm going viral today." Bella blinked. "But how? You are just one cat." Milo puffed up proudly.
That's actually
"Not
amazing.
after today. I'm
But
going
she
to
loved
put on
Milo's
a show
spirit,
so amazing
even if
that
she didn't
humans will
always
laugh,
understand it."
cheer, and share it everywhere." Bella smiled shyly. "Well, maybe I can watch." "You must," Milo said. "Every performer needs an
After the
audience."
performance, I'll give you all the leftover
The training
treats.
session. Milo began warming up. He stretched his legs, shook his whiskers, and bounced on his paws. Then he
After
switched
today,
on the small
I'm going to
music
put on a show
speaker
so
his owner
amazing
always
that
left
humans
on the
will
table.
laugh, cheer, and
Milo
share
had
it
learned
everywhere.
to press the button by jumping on it. A fast, upbeat song burst into the room.
Suddenly,
The beat
Milo
dropped,
froze.
and
Bella,
so did Milo's fear.
I know what the performance
He started
needs, a
dancing
dance
with
crew.
full energy. First, he performed his signature move, the paw spin, where he spun on one paw like a furry ballerina. Then he slid across his floor on his belly, spinning in circles like a break dancer. He hopped, flipped, and shook his tail
I
like
know,
a party ribbon.
But I need something
Bella
new,
watched
something
with open
special.
eyes. "Milo, that's actually amazing."
It could
"I
be.
know," Milo
fun.
said breathlessly, "but I
Today
need
is the
something
day.
new, something
The day
special."
I become
He
a
tried
dancing
backflip.
superstar.
He failed. He crashed into the pillows. Bella's eyes widened. Are you okay?" Milo popped his head out of the pillow pile. "I'm great. Every great dancer falls
You
at
must.
least once." He tried
Every
again.
performer
He
needs
attempted
an
a
audience.
fancy tail wiggle move, then a dramatic
Whenever it appears humans
then
weren't
a
home.
floor spin. By the end of the hour, Milo was panting but feeling
Whenever it
confident.
appears humans weren't
"The
home.
world is not ready for this
Well,
level of talent," he
maybe I
declared
can
dramatically. Bella giggled. She was starting to enjoy this. The big idea. Suddenly, Milo froze. "Bella,
I'm great.
I know what the
Every
performance
great
needs.
dancer falls
A dance
at least
crew."
once.
Bella looked around. "A dance
Why is
crew?
the phone recording?
But who?" Milo darted to the window and tapped
I
on the
told
door.
you, we're
Outside,
going
a
viral.
fluffy street cat named Tiger, known for his strong build, strutted by. Tiger was fearless, bold, and loved showing off. "Tiger," Milo called, "come join my dance team." Tiger hopped through the open window. "A dance team? I'm in. I've always wanted to show off my tail flick technique." Next came Luna, a
But
graceful
how?
white cat from next door.
You are just
She walked
one
like
cat.
a ballerina, but usually
A big
pretended
dream!
to be
I want to make the
too
funniest,
elegant
coolest, most
for silly
spectacular cat
things.
dance performance
When
ever!
Milo told her the
I'm
idea,
going viral
she
today!
rolled her eyes and then agreed anyway. It could be fun. Finally, there was Choco, the chubby orange cat who was always hungry.